Welcome to English Boosters channel.
Hi, how are you today?
Hello, I am good, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine too. What's your name?
My name is Tom. And your name?
I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. Where are you from?
I am from Canada. And you?
I'm from England. Do you live in Canada?
Yes, I live in Toronto. What about you?
I live in London.
How old are you?
I am 22 years old. And you?
I am 21 years old. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother. Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have two sisters. What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading books and watching movies.
What's your favorite season?
I like summer. What about you?
I like spring. The flowers are beautiful.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. I want to visit Japan. How about you?
I want to visit Italy and France.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Lion King. And yours?
I like Frozen.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I like cooking simple meals. Do you cook?
Yes, I like making pasta and sandwiches.
Do you like music?
Yes, I enjoy pop music and classical music too. Do you like reading books or watching TV?
I like reading books. It helps me relax.
Do you like going to the park or the beach?
I like the beach. It's fun to swim and relax. What about you?
I enjoy parks. I like jogging and walking. There?
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I like coffee. And you?
I like tea.
Do you enjoy learning new things?
Yes, I love learning English and other languages. What about you?
Me too. Learning new things is exciting.
Do you like going to concerts or theaters?
Yes, I enjoy concerts. The music is amazing. What about you?
I love theaters. Watching plays is fun. Do you like spicy food?
Yes, a little spicy. Food is good. What about you?
I enjoy it too.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is strawberries.
Are surprises fun for you?
Yes, they are fun.
Do you like waking up early or sleeping in?
I like waking up early. And you?
Me too. It feels good to start the day early.
It was really nice talking to you, Tom.
Yes, I enjoyed our conversation, Emma.
I hope we can talk again soon.
Absolutely, I'd love that. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Take care.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thanks for watching.